hat, it's time to go.
Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, today we're going to be talking about the Major Arcana Tarot card associated with the astrological sign of Scorpio. And here it is, dun dun dun, the Death card. Oh boy. Well, you know, people look at the Death card and they think a lot of thoughts of fear. It brings up a lot of emotion for them. You know, in movies it's shown that people are going to die when the Death card shows up. And that's not the case. When we see the Death card show up, it represents the idea of transformation. Certainly death is a transformation. You're going from physical form into non-physical form. But it talks about all kinds of transformation. And that is really what is associated with Scorpio. Scorpio is a transformative astrological sign. Scorpio doesn't back away from transformation at all. Fearless about going and changing and moving and growing and evolving and going beyond. And so we look at this Death card not as a card about endings as much as we look about transformation. In fact, in some decks, it's even called transformation. But in our old-fashioned sort of deck, it's called death. So we don't look at death as the idea of physically dying necessarily, or something tragic happening or loss, but we look at transformation. Scorpios are beautiful flowers. They are water signs. You know, we think of a scorpion, we don't think of water, but Scorpio is a water sign. And those are signs, the water signs are the ones that flow very easily into new situations. So Scorpio is the best at that. Scorpio creates transformation, instigates transformation, and allows evolution to happen. So if you see the Death card show up, think of the aspect of Scorpio that is about the transformation, about the change, about the evolution. If you're a Scorpio and the Death card shows up in your reading, look at it as a friend, an ally. This is the part of you that you shine in, this ability to move beyond the stagnant, still boring, you know, areas of life and move into new areas and transform into new things and new ideas and all of that stuff. So if you want to bring more transformation into your life, you're ready to move on to the next chapter, you're ready to go to your next level, then you want to bring in the Death card and use that as a point of magic or as a point of meditation to bring in more of that Scorpion energy where you have this great, beautiful, beautiful change, beautiful evolution that happens. Thank you so much for joining me. I am Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Be sure to head over there. There are a ton of great resources for you. Not only do I offer tarot readings, but I offer a ton of instructional resources, things like classes and workshops, videos, how-to guides, and many, many other things. So please check it out. Also be sure to subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button below so that you are one of the first people to know when a new video comes out on my channel here. I would love to see you, and I'd love to see your comments below. Thank you so much for joining me, and take care, and we'll see you in the next video.